This is our new manual part washer for ATEX cleaning. As I remember, it can also be sold as a standard part washer for our own cleaning agents. Short introduction. Here is the washing area where you have a sliding grid and a brush that's here used for brass cleaning. We have, when we're done cleaning, we put it over here to drip off. There's also ventilation here. Drip off is returned back into the tank here in this drain. Parts can also be soaked here. When you push back the sliding grid, you can soak the parts here before washing if they need soaking. The brush is activated by this pedal. It's pneumatically activated. Below here we have a emptying pump, now a filling pump, and then we have a pump for the brush and also for emptying. Now it's in the brush function, and if you turn it, here you have for emptying.